Hello guys, this is Matias. Good to see you. Hope you are very good right now. Today I'm going to review you about a software with stunning bonuses, namely HostZPresso, that will be launched from the 5th of June at 11 a.m. EDT to 10 of June in the midnight and also in EDT. The product is by Moses Berry. Remember to get all your stunning bonuses as soon as possible through my link down this video before 10 of June, because you can also get an instant $5 off if you take the copy before it. So if you find this software is the one for you, just take action now, as it will expire soon and you only need to pay more, and with all the bonuses gone. So now let me tell you what HostZPresso is all about. This HostZPresso is a cloud-based app that is easy to access from anywhere. It's work with Macs, PC and mobile phone. You can create and host an unlimited numbers of websites. You can add unlimited domains, enjoy unlimited bandwidth and SSL license, as well as creating unlimited emails account. And this product is also with a money back guarantee that I will tell you a couple of minutes later. So let's go to take a look what are the amazing bonuses you will have if you get a copy through my link down this video. So the first bonuses you have is the hacked access to the cake brand mastery courses. It will teach you everything about cake brand and how to promote and earn your commission from cake brand. And then bonus number 2 is the hacked bonus pages builder tutorial. And this bonus will guide you how you can create your bonus pages and offer your custom bonus to your customers so you can get more conversion rates. And then bonus number 3 is the hack boost your SEO. Once you have your website hosting, it will show you how you can increase your portfolio and how you can boost your SEO and rank your website at #1 in Google search. And then bonus number 4 is the hacked access the few goals breakthrough. And this is about increasing your Instagram traffic and how you can place pixel in your advertisement and get on traffic and retarget your customer through small ads and get your huge commission. And then the last bonus 5 is special bonuses that can allow you to access all vendors bonuses. And let me show you what are the 3 special bonuses from this vendor. The first one is the 6-figure store builder, and you know how to use the done for you store building software. And then the bonus number 2 is the quick brand auto commission. And then bonus number 3 is the insert name. So you just click the sales pages, and then you see all the detail of these 3 additional bonus. And then in my bonus pages, if you really like this product, and then you just click this long red button here, you click here to scratch your copy and your bonuses. You click here and then you go to the sales pages, and then you go to this long orange button to get instant access, and then you get this 5 discount. And then after you finish all the payments, you go to my One Wheel Plus pages, and then apart from access your purchase, you can access to all the bonuses through this long blue button here. You just click here, and then you can get all your insane bonuses, as what I mentioned to you. So now let me go to show you about its price structures. Basically, you have it has 6 prices. The first one is the front-end prices with $19, and then if you buy before 10th of June, as what I told you, you get this $5 discount off, so it's actually $14. And then you get the OTO level 1 is $47, and then it goes to OTO number 2 is $67, and OTO number 3 is $97, and OTO number 4 is also $97, and the last level is OTO level 5 is with $197. So basically that's the prices. And now I would like to give you a little bit review about the benefits you have. First, you get one-time access to HostZPresso without ever having to pay a monthly fee, and you are able to upload, create, and host an unlimited number of websites. You can add unlimited domains, enjoy unlimited bandwidth and unlimited SSL license, and you can also create unlimited email accounts. And it's seamless and 100% newbie friendly, and it focuses on limiting users' monthly expense, so your business can be more profitable. Now let's go to the membership area to take a look what the training you have. So basically that's how the platform look like. Once you purchase the products, and then you go log in into this member area, you can have the account managers with the domain setup, subdomain management, DNS management, SSL certificate, FTP management, MySQL management, sites redirections, PHP setting, and also you have the email managers with email account, auto responder, vacation message, spam assistant setup, spam filters, MX record, and also with the advanced features like the create and restore backup, Chrome drop, custom error pages, my types, two-step authentication, password protect directors, and SSH keys. And you also got the info, system info and files, and you have the file manager, system informations, site summary, statistic, log, and you also get the extra features functions like webmail, OneCrypt, PHP MyAdmin, Jet Backup, and also with this Soculus auto installer. And you also get a support desk here. You can create your tickets and or even contact them via the support center. And you also got this pop-in area here. So basically that's how the membership area and the platform look like. And for the training, you can actually take the detailed training tutorial video at this position inside my bonus pages here. Yeah, it's here, and you can go through it and experience it anytime when free, or you like to. It's without any limit, so you can go through many times as you like. So to summarize, this software can save you a lot of money, and hosted unlimited website and domain is with 99% uptime guarantees, and it's also with high-speed server for lightning fast, low speed, and better conversion, and it's free SSL certificate for every site, and just one click WordPress installer to get new sites live in minutes. And also have end-to-end SSL encryptions and advanced DDoS protections to disarm potential hackers, and it transfers existing sites, or it allows you to create a new one, and it's with 7-day 24 hours premium support, and is beginner friendly setup process, no tech skill needed, and it's with 60-day unconditional money back guarantee. So if you decide this isn't the hosting for you and your business, for any reason at all, just simply submit a ticket as what I show you here in this platform, and then the vendor support desk will be very pleased to refund you every penny of your purchase price, so it is no risk on your part. So hopefully this software and my review will really help you out in your passive income journey, as well as earning huge amount of commission online. If you have any questions, just feel free to leave me your comment down this video. So that's it. If you enjoyed watching this video, remember to give me your like, comment, or even subscribe to my channel, so it can motivate me to give you more useful product review. I sincerely wish you all the best and achieve your financial freedom as soon as possible. I see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.